Hello everybody, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve Snapchat following, not showing. To know how to fix or how to solve Snapchat following, not showing, you should just go to settings. Then in this page, you will enter to apps, default apps, app settings. After that, in this page, you will search about this window of Snapchat. When you'll find this list of app info, you will click for stop and you will click OK. Then you will enter to storage. Here we go to click clear cache, and in the end you can turn off your phone. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention and your watching.